What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play IDGAF Part 2 by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard drop D tuning, and what that means is if your guitar is in standard tuning, you're going to drop your low E string down to a D note. Should be an octave lower than your D string. There's two parts to this song I'm going to show you. There's the intro, which I believe is just played twice before it jumps into the main riff that repeats throughout the entire song. I have made the guitar tab for both of them. It's in the video description below, so if you need that, once you get done with the video, jump into the video description. The tab is there for you. The beginning is very easy. You're just picking open D, your low D, and A just once. Slide up to 5 on the low D, and then pick your high D, and then pick it low D again, high D again, 7 on low D, and then high D. That's the beginning of the song. The rest of the song is just one riff that repeats. You're going to play this version of a D minor. You just need your index finger on the 5th fret of the A string, and your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. And you're just picking those strings, just A, D, G. Then slide that down to the 10th fret, and you're going to pick 10 on A, ring finger on 12 on D, and then just bar that 10th fret because you're going to pick 10 on B as well. And then add your middle finger on the 9th fret on the B and pick those exact same strings. And then come back down to the 7th fret on the D string, put your pinky on the 7th fret on the G string, and your index finger on the 5th fret of the B, and pick those 3 strings. And that entire thing just repeats slowly. It looks like... There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then, once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.